My beautiful and amazing people, how many hours ago Nine Ned Nwoko composed a particular video on his Instagram story to justify the whole drama wey dey happen between him and Regina Daniel. Guys, for that particular video, na two things na I see for inside. But before I go judge am, wey we go follow judgment am for the comment section, make we watch the video.
But can you move, please? Be quiet, be quiet.
Now, guys, na the video wey Ned Nwoko post be that for im official story. Na the woman na im dey do the man something. Na she dey stone am things, dey drag am up and down, dey tell am say, oya do your worst. Do your worst na. I say make you do your worst. The man on the other end just talk say, just use hand push her say, leave me alone. Na the woman demonstrate, do lots of drama, do kitty, do katakata for inside this matter when I dey tell una like this. So, meaning wetin Ipa dey try tell us now be say, na Regina Daniel, na she be the drama queen wey dey for im family. Say he himself, he dey very, very innocent. The second point be say, na Regina na im push am to the limit. As im come finally react, na im own reaction na im people come dey see. Whereas, no be as the thing take happen, na im happen. My people, wonders they say it shall never end. Before I go continue with this juicy gist, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Now me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use gonna beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, now these wonders where they talk say e no fit ever end. Now for Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniel head, now I take confirm am. We sit down fake Ned Nwoko don grant interview for Channels TV. Now here we still dey. Ned Nwoko don call somebody, a lady come in house to come do home survey, to come tell us say Regina no get better heart towards im children. Regina Daniel dey outside. Only she get 5 house. She get 5 house wey Ned Nwoko give her. Only she na dey stay for this big house. The moon get their room. This da. Only Ned Nwoko na employ investigative journalist Dr. Kemi Olunloyo make e come defend am by fire by force. Only him don bring out Regina Daniel fake medical report. Only him don do so many things. And Regina, we don't know the tactics of social media, never uttered a word. She never said jack since all these things they happen, which automatically means say, Regina really get big heart. The more they drag her to come, nothing wey they never tell her. Some people don't even they talk say Ipa don't say a lot. Make she come talk her own side so that they go know where they go judge from. For where Regina just they use doings, they use walkings, they take they scatter the internet space. The more they push her, the more she go come drop her achievements. The more they push her, the more she go come drop wetin una really won't see. Because una say una won't see downfall na abi. She dey try let una know to say Ned Nwoko can never be her downfall, because before the coming of Ned Nwoko, Regina Daniels was in existence. When she finally married him, Regina Daniel is still in existence. She no wan gree at all at all. Now only Ned Nwoko. Now people come dey talk and now say, okay, now the way where you want take justify the act of say you they beat her be this. na im make you dey post this particular video? Because what is the essence of posting this video if you know that your hands are clean? Na to just enter house. We don hear am before say once a woman married an older man, their love no dey be here own, and they go respect each other because the man eye don see a lot. He's not a child. He don see thank you. He don see very much. So he go value and respect the woman with him full chest. What now happen in Ned Nwoko's own case? Na Regina now na im come dey show am shege. True true, this man eye really enter inside because he no ever believe say Regina go do am this thing wey she do am. Even for im dream, if dem tell am say Regina go fire back at him like this, he go swear say Regina no fit. E fit even carry oracle take swear say Regina no get that mind to do am. But last na the small engine na im come dey make the loudest noise. Na she come dey scatter the table. Im ma dey wait make Regina come out come talk. Na why Ned Nwoko bin tear race from im hole come write say Regina dey into druggy. You no understand? Because im know say as e be say she be a mother of internet, say she go definitely come out come talk her own side of the story. So before she go come out come talk her own side, make him come talk him own first, so that anything wey Regina go come talk now, e go come be say na counterfeit. They no go really wan count am because they feel say she dey into things and things. So they say na 5 different things na only she dey take. So you see say anything wey she go come talk now, people no go wan give am listening ears. So that way now na im make Regina too remain for her hole. She just dey bring out the achievements, dey drop am one by one. Nothing concern her with anything wey una dey wait to hear from her. Anything wey una dey find to hear, make una just use una head calculate am o, because Regina never ready to take talk anything. Now where Ned Nwoko drop that post to be there wey e end, because online in-laws come dey drag am for comment section say, okay, na wetin come make you beat her be that? Say na she dey push you. As you finally touch am, na im e scatter for ground ba? Come dey lie, dey do makeup of so many things, abi? Why some say, okay, na Regina Daniel, na she be the main problem wey Ned Nwoko get. Because how come other wives no dey complain? Na Regina be the only person wey complain. Me, I'm now trying to answer those other people wey dey talk say other wives no dey complain. Make una no forget say Leila once complain o. Na as the complaint no carry her reach anywhere, she later come back come delete all the complaint wey she come social media come do. Una forget? If una no forget, make una go back. Social media no dey forget o. Na you wey shit forget. Person wey pack am, e no dey forget o. Media space no dey forget. Once upon a time, Leila, the Moroccan wife, bin come out, come cry out, say she no understand wetin dey happen for Ned Nwoko house o. Say she's not being given that attention, that love, that care, that this, that again. All of a sudden, we hear quiet. For some time, she came back and deleted all the whole posts, but not knowing say as she delete am, blogs don already carry am. Say, and in as much as say blogs don carry am, e go dey for the media space, dey wait till forever. So if una feel say na only Regina na im carry the matter for head, na only she dey give Ipa tough time, dey make Ipa dey talk, dey push Ipa to the limit. Even Leila bin don do am before. You know say na when you buy market, the market favour you, na you go rebuy am again. But in as much as say you buy market, the market tey for your hand, you no see who buy am, you no go market go repeat the market again. So as Leila try am, e no favour her. When she come back, you see say she enter house, she no try am again. So Ipa wetin say na so others go do. E shock am say Regina come back, say lie, e no go work. Regina come back say lie, e no fit ever work. Say na she go show am say she be Regina because of that first incident wey happen. The first one wey happen, na im really open Regina eye to so many things. Because that time now, na she bin come dey apologize. She dey beg, no vex o, forgive me o. This one o, Ned Nwoko dey use that dey catch cruise. I need my children. They say lie, you no go see children. Now na she dey for the highest bidder now. Na Ned Nwoko na im be the explanation officer. Now in dey explain. Nobody to even believe wetin im dey explain. Anytime wey im come out come talk, dey go read another meanings to am. Because that particular video, una see am already, na two things. Na Regina be the trouble person, and the other meaning again, as she give you trouble, na you give am one, na e scatter for everywhere. So many people, but people wey be say dem no even gree for that beating wey Regina post, wey burst the whole media space, where dey beat her. Na that one, na people no even wan use their say if you do every other thing, they go forgive and forget, like say nothing happen. But you see this particular one wey im do like this, omo, e no really make sense at all. And it can never be encouraged, because if they encourage am because of say im be big man, na im be say the society, a lot of people go dey see am as say na good thing to dey beat their wives. And beating a woman, if you are tired, you don't want to do again, there are so many ways to call it quit, to call it over. Not until you come beat her. What if you buy her? All these things wey we dey talk, we no go dey talk am again na. Abi no be so? So like this, so omo, Ned Nwoko is heartbroken, because if to say na Regina come dey do all these things now, they will say na childishness. Now na Ned na im come be the small pikin here now. From RS, e don enter to dey explain, because no any way wey im wan take put am wey dem no go drag am. Now e come to explain himself using this particular video. At the end of the day, e still use im head pack wetin no good. God abeg o. Omo, to be child of grace no be no be here old o. Regina is indeed a child of grace. Na she be the weapon formed against Ned Nwoko. If only he knows, he won't have married her in the very first place. Now all the fame wey user gets now, he don't use am collect dragging. As many as people wey say dem be no know am, now they don't know am. They come dey know am for the wrong reasons. No be juju be that. My people, no be small thing o. Wetin be una own, wetin una see for inside this particular video now? You know say me I see two things, but I believe some people go see more than two things for inside this particular video. Make una come chook mouth put, do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gift Digest. I'm the bring on latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.